Hi, my name is Daniel Rodrigo, and in today's video we are going to talk about the physical internet. What if the supply chain community could emulate the internet world and create a universal open logistic network that is economically, environmentally, and socially efficient and sustainable? Such a concept exists, and it's called the physical internet. Today, the physical internet is a vision for an end-to-end global logistic network, but there are plans to turn it into a reality by 2050. This model is divided in 4 units. In this video, we will focus on the physical internet, definition, and topics. First of all, we are going to talk about the physical internet. In response to Paris Agreement, more and more governments, associations, businesses are setting bold climate targets. The ambition of the European Union is to be the first climate-neutral continent by 2050. To achieve this, a series of plans and actions have been created, which in terms of logistics have resulted in the European project related to the physical internet. In this context, the European technology platform, ALICE, was created in 2015, and it's been a key actor in the introduction of the physical internet. The platform develops a strategy for research, innovation, and market deployment of logistics and supply chain management in Europe. Imagine a worldwide system for goods transport that works like the internet. Goods are transported in a standard package or container. The network neither knows nor cares about the contents of each container. The network decides by itself on the best route, carriers, vehicles, nodes, and modes, and can modify the routing in response to changing circumstances. That concept is known as the physical internet. Neither sender nor recipient needs to know or understand the detail of how the container is transporting. The whole network operates under internationally recognized protocols and is open to any user. The transformation in transport efficiency will be a major contribution to the challenge of global logistics sustainability. The physical internet is probably the most ambitious concept towards efficiency and sustainability in transport logistics. It stands for a far-reaching transition for freight transport and logistics, so assets and resources can be used in a more efficient way. Additionally, to deliver customer value, the physical internet proposes to pool resources and assets in open, connected, and shared networks so they can be used seamlessly by network users and partners. Different challenges will be addressed with the physical internet: available transport capacity, return flows, storage and distribution facilities, road transport, operational inefficiencies, and last-mile delivery logistics. SENSE project, coordinated by ALICE, aims to define a roadmap to the physical internet, translating the academic vision into practical steps that need to be taken to build the physical internet. The roadmap explains the development of the physical internet over the next 20 years, around 5 areas, which are from logistics node to physical nodes. Logistics nodes are physical locations such as warehouses, distribution centers, ports, airports, hubs, and terminals, or even cities in which goods are consumed, stored, transformed, or transshipped from a transport mode to another. Services in physical internet nodes are visible digitally, accessible to companies, and address planning and execution and information sharing. From logistic network to physical internet network. Logistic networks include logistics nodes that, as well as the transportation services connecting the logistics nodes, are reaching to the destination. Physical internet networks are expected to build seamless and flexible door-to-door services in which all assets, capabilities, and resources are visible, developing system of logistic networks toward the physical internet. The system of logistic network forms the backbone of the physical internet and requires secure, efficient, and extensible services for the flow of goods, information, and finance across logistic networks. Related to access and adoption, this area describes the main requirements to access the physical internet through a logistic network part of it. It also includes different steps and the mindset required to adopt physical internet concepts. Governance includes the development needed to involve the logistic nodes, logistic networks, and system of logistic networks into the physical internet. Development in each of the areas have already started and show the possible developments in generations until 2040. Therefore, the logistics of the future, from global to urban, will be based on an open global system that allows assets and resources to be interconnected in logistic networks, facilitating their use to maximum capacity and productivity while increasing agility and the resilience of the supply chains. We call this vision the physical internet, and it will support the affordable transition of assets to zero-emission logistics.